Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got yet another failure for a Range Rover. This particular one about a 2016 again. Front knuckles. Just came in for a sort of standard checkup, and one thing we always check is the top of these knuckles. And this particular one again, I'm sure I've showed you these in the videos already, but they just start showing signs of cracking up here. This one wasn't right cracked. What I've actually done here is I've just split it off just to show you how far through. And for the purpose of the video, I've painted in black what was holding, and what was in silver there was what was already cracked. So as you can see, quite well through. Customer totally unaware of this. Obviously as soon as we advised them, then they want to get this changed. As you can see, this is your wheel bearing here for your front wheel, basically what holds your wheel on. And as I've said before, this bit here, top of the suspension, I'll show you on the car now. So here it is on the car. For purpose of video, obviously I've taken the wheel off. That's your front brake, front corner of the car. Held on down the bottom here, as we said before, two big suspension arms, your track rod end for your steering, and then up at the top, all that holds it on is this one. As you can see with the big blue tick, we've already checked this. Where the crack is just down this side of the bolt here. Obviously if this was to crack now, from what you can see there, top cracks, wheel just becomes loose, you lose your steering, potentially end up upside down in the field. So something you really need to get checked. If you're capable of having a wee look at that yourself, just give that a wire brush off there. A right good wire brush and get in there with your eyes and check it. If not, by all means come round by the garage and we'll give them a wee check. Better safe than sorry. You're about £1,000 by the time you fit that corner, but it's still a lot cheaper than dragging yourself out of a field. And there we go. That's the new one all fitted. This bolt, really important, torque that to the right spec. Nice gap, nice even gap. You notice if that gap disappears, it's because this is cracked on its way out. Another telltale if they're going. But yeah, so as I said, this bit here is all that holds the top of the wheel where it's meant to be. So that bit breaks, as you can imagine, the wheel's got to fall down to the side, and you're losing all your steering, potentially crashing. Not where you want to be. So just keep an eye on that. If you do happen to see cracks starting to form in them, don't ignore them, because it will cost you. Obviously, if you're unsure about that, feel free to give us a shout at the garage and we'll keep you right. Bring them in, no problem with checking them out for you, but don't get caught out. Remember, if you like what you see and if it's of any help to you, mind to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep bringing you more stuff. Hopefully help you out in the future. Cheers.